Welcome to Destination Dash 2025. I'm Matt, the voice of Thameslink and Southern, and over the next 2 days, I'll be guiding our 3 teams as they compete in challenges across the Thameslink, Southern and Great Northern networks, earning points along the way. It's very simple. The team with the most points wins. Welcome to Stevenage Football Club. For your first challenge, I have your envelopes here. It's day 1 of Destination Dash, and our teams are at Stevenage Football Club Academy for some keepy-uppies and a good old-fashioned penalty shootout.
Yeah. I kind of overdid it there.
Right, how are our football skills?
Excellent.
Awful.
No, they're not. He's amazing. Trust me.
Based on what?
Just guessing.
Vibes.
Freeze. Good job. We know it. Okay. 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, it's an amazing initiative that Thameslink have done. I come from London St Pancras, so it's a bit of a journey, but with the free train pass, I don't have to pay for my journey. And last year I actually did a mental health awareness with Thameslink. So me and 3 of the other lads, we'd go on the train and talk to people about the mental health and ask them how their day is. So yeah, it's an amazing initiative and very grateful for it.
Okay. Sorry. Right.
Your 3 envelopes here. Now, Southern, as the winners, you get to pick A, B, or C. Which envelope would you like?
A.
You're going to go for option A. Okay, Thameslink.
Open it yet.
Thameslink, do you want B or C? Great Northern, option B. And your time starts now. For Railway 200, we're testing our team's railway knowledge, and it's a race across the network. Their mission is simple. They've got to get to Hastings Contemporary down on the East Sussex coast in the quickest time possible.
We need to find Jackie. We need to race to Hastings via Ashford International. So we are going to get on this train, which admittedly everybody else is getting on.
What are you doing here?
I've lost my. Where's I put my mic?
Let's go.
Right, team, we're on the train from Ashford to Hastings, and I don't want to jinx it, but things are looking pretty good.
So there are 2 very simple rules for this challenge. Our teams can only use trains operated by Thameslink, Southern, Great Northern, Gatwick Express or South Eastern. They can walk, they can run, but they cannot use any other mode of transport, and they must arrive by 1:30 p.m.
You're in good spirits, so we have got to head down that road down the left over there.
From Stevenage to the Hastings Contemporary. Oh, here we are. Is anybody here? Hello.
So there we are, Great Northern in first place, Thameslink in second, and coming in last is Team Southern. All this year on Thameslink, Southern and Great Northern, we've been celebrating 200 years of the railway and 200 years of the National Gallery in our inspiring creative campaign online and our social media channels. We've brought together national treasures by National Rail and connected our customers to art across London and the South East. Here at the Hastings Contemporary, we want our teams to give us their best contemporary masterpiece. May the best railway win.
We've, if you look here, we've got the objects that inspired this next piece, which I think beautifully encapsulates just going from childhood to adulthood, of how you're squeezing the joy out of life, like you with the orange, and you're left as just a rock like that. So it's quite a powerful piece, I think. My mum thought she cried. And
then you scan it, and then you go. And then everything becomes colour, and you enjoy Hastings.
So basically, basically, I'm the best artist here, as we can all see. And obviously, Great Northern are on the top of our squash, and we are squashing Southern and Thameslink.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
2 weeks in 1 day.
For our final challenge of the day, we find ourselves here at Eastbourne Studio Pottery. Now for this challenge, we've asked all 3 of our teams to create a sculpture featuring a train and railway track. Now this is to commemorate Railway 200. Let's see how we're getting on. Railway 200 is a year-long nationwide partnership-led campaign to celebrate 200 years of the modern railway and inspire a new generation of young pioneering talent to choose a career in rail.
Yeah.
Do you want a demo? Ready?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, yeah.
It invites community, rail and other groups to get involved, and that's exactly what Great Northern, Gatwick Express, Southern and Thameslink are doing.
Second place, the runners-up are Great Northern.
To start the second day of Destination Dash, it's time for the Great Railway Cook-Off. Can our teams impress our guest judges with their cooking skills in this technical challenge?
So today we're going to be making... Don't be basic Indomie. Don't be basic Indomie.
Now it's time to see what the judges really think.
We'll start with this one over here.
Yeah.
A bit of everything. A bit of
So
everything.
who's this? This is Thameslink. So this is Great Northern.
Yeah, Great Northern. Alright. On the flavour.
Okay, Southern, let's do it.
It looks very rich. So the second place goes to...
Drum roll, please. Anticipation. Great Northern.
So guys, this is it. It's the final challenge of Destination Dash 2025 and here it is. Here is the final challenge for you guys. It's the final challenge and our teams are in St Albans, which is rooted in railway history. Now, being one of the country's most popular commuter cities, thanks to a fast, non-stop Thameslink connection to London, railway heritage is integral to city life. From the abandoned Alban Way railway line becoming a popular walking, cycling and environmental trail, to the preserved signal box, the heart of community projects benefiting local residents.
Verse number 2.
Our teams are going to be immersed into that history in this final challenge. Can they signal their way to victory? Let's find out.
Oh dear, no, I've done this bad thing. Replace it back.
I wouldn't pull that lever. Have they forgotten that bell? I wouldn't want to be on a train signalled by this lot. What on earth is going on? Thank goodness it's just a simulator, and rest assured, no trains were harmed in this challenge.
Southern came in with -8 points. And Great Northern came in with -4 points.
know what that means.
Right, that's a double point.
Our teams are now heading to the Odyssey Cinema in St Albans, where we will be crowning the Destination Dash winners of 2025.
Although we came third, we've been on a journey over the last few days, a journey of an adventure. We may have came third, however, I personally feel I've made 2 friendships that I will stick with forever.
Yay! Team Thameslink, we are second. Cheers, guys. Thank you. It's been so much fun, you know, and as like a full-time content creator, I will say that I do have meetings all the time. But this is actually genuinely had a heart. Even the ones when I've flown abroad to like really amazing countries, this has actually been the funnest.
10 of our social media followers that back to you will win a free 200-mile rail journey on Great Northern Thameslink Southern or Gatwick Express. So congratulations to them. And here is the winning ticket. Congratulations.
Please mind the gap between the winners and the losers.
Yes!
So there you have it. Team Great Northern are the champions of Destination Dash. Tom went for his hat-trick and he scored. Thank you for joining us on Destination Dash. We'll see you next year.